Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Figma Slice tool. First, locate the Slice tool in your toolbar, often found under the Region tools, or simply press the S key on your keyboard. This powerful feature allows you to define specific areas of your design for export, ensuring you only get the assets you need. It's perfect for preparing individual images or sections of a larger layout. Once you've selected the Slice tool, click and drag your mouse across the canvas to define the area you wish to export. You'll see a new slice layer appear in your Layers panel. You can easily adjust its size by dragging the blue handles on its bounding box. For precise control, use the X, Y, width, and height input fields in the right-hand Properties panel. With your slice selected, head over to the Export section in the right sidebar. Here, you can choose your preferred file format from options like PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. You can also set the export scale, for example, 1x for standard resolution or 2x for Retina displays. This flexibility ensures your assets are perfectly optimized for their intended use, whether for web or print. For more complex projects, you can create multiple slices across your canvas. Each slice will export as a separate file, making it easy to manage many assets at once. Remember to give your slice layers descriptive names in the Layers panel. These names will become your exported file names. This practice streamlines your workflow and keeps your design files tidy and professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.